Chelsea Manalo.
Ayan, rampa muna, rampa muna. Rampa.
Rampa muna.
Do the honor. Do the honor.
Ay, yeah. The iconic. Yes. Ganyan-ganyan ako pag nakatapak ng tae eh. Ate, bakit parang ang baho?
Hindi, para i-make sure kasi parang ako talaga yung
Oo.
nakaapak ng tae.
Kasi dapat parang medyo pagod ka muna.
May pakisimot nga. Hindi pala tayo, ikaw pala talaga yung umutot.
Anyway,
Hello!
again, hello, madam.
Ay, ako talaga yung unang bineso. Hello, so may question and answer din tayo para sa ating
Yes!
Miss
Dito
Universe,
tayo
right?
para may konting hangin, oo.
So
Sa
first
mga drag
question,
queens na nagdala nito, maraming salamat.
kaya mo ba tonight? We prepared actually 10 questions for her, right?
Yes!
Isa lang.
Yes! Ano ang mga bumubuo sa mga lalawigang Mima Rob? Ang daming tinatanong. Okay, so, huwag na natin patagalin, okay? So the question is, how will you bring your allyship on the Miss Universe stage and what does diversity, equality, and inclusivity mean for you? So again, my question for you will be, how will you bring your allyship on the Miss Universe stage and what does diversity, equality, and inclusivity mean for you?
Well, for me, even if you are not an LGBTQIA plus member, you can always be an ally, and it is through human acceptance that we are ready to accept that we are all different, and even in these indifferences, we all can share together our values and respect means a lot of things, and through equality and inclusivity means that no one is ever left behind, that we are ready to accept that we have to share the values and to give equal opportunity for everyone for human rights. We all share the same universe equally, and despite our gender, we are not different from one another. I thank you.
Bulacan! Yes! Paandar! Kakabugin natin si Alden. Bulacan! Yes!
Hindi parang ready na
Ready,
sa Miss
ready.
Universe.
That's right.
At dahil dyan, tomorrow na ang Miss Universe.
Ate.
Kami magde-decide, tayo daw ang hostess.
Napakabilis. Napakabilis.
Diyos ko.
Okay.